Hi, this is HK Systems. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix a jam. Important note, the following video is intended for both the 1-line and 2-line Pryska models. Jams occur when you eject labels too rapidly. As you can see, the labels are no longer dispensing. To fix this, open the base cover by pushing back the red lever. Remove the excess labels from the dispensing area. You're good to go. Thank you for choosing HK Systems. Give us a contact if you need any help.